Hey, what's up, guys? It is 7 o'clock in the morning. We are packing up our bags and we're getting ready to head out to Silver Falls. It's out in Silverton, Oregon. It's my first time out there, so I'm really excited. It is the weekend, so it's probably going to be pretty busy, so we're trying to get out there right when they open. So we will see you out there. So hey guys, we just arrived at Silver Falls. Just walked under the waterfall. It's pretty rad. So you can actually take the trail and walk behind it, which is pretty cool. Although your camera will get pretty soaked underneath it. So we are walking down to the bottom right now, and I'm gonna launch the drone, throw it up in the air, hopefully get some sick aerial shots. You can see the sun's still pretty low, so I'm sure we'll be able to capture some cool like sun glares with the fog. So I'm pretty excited about that. So check out these drone shots, and then we're gonna go kind of walk around the park and explore it a little more. So yeah, let me know what you think. All right, so we just left Winter Falls, and now we're headed to Middle North Waterfalls, and then Drake Waterfalls. What's after Drake? Upper?
Bottom? I don't know. Upper North?
Upper North, Lower North, Middle North. So that's where we're headed right now. Check out some more waterfalls. Double Lower. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of waterfalls out here at Silver Falls, so we're gonna keep hiking around, checking them out, and exploring a little bit more of Oregon's forests. Alright, so we made it out to Lower Middle Falls. Another fall that you can walk underneath. I actually think that I like this one better than the main one, the main Silver Fall. I forget what the name of it is, but it is gorgeous. We walked down there and took some pictures, got soaked. I'm hoping that you can hear me with the waterfall, because the waterfall's super loud. So we're actually gonna head back up because we need to get back to Portland. We'll come back down here another time and take you with us and show you the other falls down here. So yeah, so that's our trip down to Silver Falls today. Headed back to Portland in a minute, but super gorgeous. If you get a chance, get out here because it is awesome, but make sure to come early before the crowds get here. All right, thanks.